Welcome to CoinField's tutorial. Please submit your proof of address to increase the daily limit for deposit and withdrawal. Step 1. Log in to your CoinField account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Now you will see a note that says your account is almost fully verified. To become fully verified, please go to the Pro section and click Finish Verification. Step 3. Please fill in all the required fields, the document type, date, and address. Then upload the proof of address. You can choose to upload any of the following documents: bank account statement, credit card statement, tax confirmation document, mortgage or loan statement, and utility bills. Once you have uploaded the document, click Submit. At the very last step, please let us know about your trading experience. This information will help us provide a better service to you. And that's it! Our compliance team will manually review your documents and details if you are not automatically approved. They will be in touch within 24 to 48 business hours if further information is required or if you have successfully upgraded your account. Our compliance team can be contacted at compliance@coinfield.com.